Hey guys, so my friend Nick just texted me and he can't get his Supra back in the garage because one, it's on an incline, so it's extremely hard to push by himself. Two, it was partially out of gas, so he went to get new gas and his battery died, so he needs some help. So we're about to run over the air compressor and help him push the Supra back into the garage. We'll see how this goes. Why to have an SUV of some sort? Even if it's slammed, it's still functional. Javi's giving the Teggy some much needed love and affection while this poor baby sits dismantled. Oh my god, is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra?
Bro.
Be prepared to break. Ready? Focus all the way. Ready? Oh, brake. You on the brake?
Carefully climb out of the vehicle. See, I talked.
Wow. You're gonna hit the wall though?
I used my brain! Oh god. I strong man! Now I gotta place your rocks in there. Sorry for disturbing the I disturbed the landscaping. There we go, folks. Supra rescued. It's really dark. You can't even like see anything. It's a secret. Don't know how well you can see me, but at least we did one good thing for today. You know, we have to go to work and do normal things during the day, which not as fun as like this kind of thing, but at least we helped someone in distress as much as it was a struggle. So I got some kind of upsetting news from the machine shop that I took the head to. So apparently where the cam caps bolt onto the head, all the Healy coils were coming out as I was removing the cam caps, literally just disintegrating. So they said pretty much they don't want to be responsible for repairing them. It's not worth it because they charge like $35, $40 per hole to fix it, to repair it. So I contacted the original machine shop that I got the head from in the first place. They said bring it by to see what they can do. I'm not real happy. I have some options. There's a head with cams and cam gears online that I can purchase that I have found. Hopefully it's not gone by the time that I need to buy it if I need to buy it. There's also someone out in Orlando, Kissimmee area that has a full H23 engine with transmission. So I was debating whether or not to just go ahead and buy that so I have all the spare parts that I might need. But today I have to go pick up the head from Tampa now, and it's a bummer. Not looking forward to the drive again to pick up something that did not get fixed. Alright, so I just got back from the head shop. That sounds weird. Machine shop with my head. And I've got some stuff to bring up when I take it over to the other place that I originally got the head from. Not sure when I'm going to be able to do that, but as I was getting home, my brakes started making weird noises. So now I have to check them out, and I'm not excited. It's not like brakes, it's just my driver's side front brake was kind of making a weird screech sound at a hard stop. So we're going to see what's going on. So the first thing that I noticed is that the ball joint is actually making contact with the dust shield behind the brake disc. So it might just be that it's screeching and rubbing on that. I don't really know, but it's too hot to touch right now. So I'm gonna see if she can hold out until this weekend because I have to do a tire rotation and an oil change on her, so then I'll have a better angle to, you know, kind of see what's going on. Right now it's really hot. I definitely see an indentation from the cast nut on the bottom of the ball joint making contact with the dust shield behind the brake disc. So maybe that's just a noise. I don't really know. We'll figure it out because it's definitely worse on like a turn while braking. So I don't know if just the angle of that is causing it to kind of rub. So I'm gonna get a better evaluation. Hopefully later. I think it'll be fine. It's not making the noise anytime other than like a hard stop or a turned stop. It's not what I need. What's up, guys? So I just got back from Clearwater. As I mentioned, I had some bad news given to me from the machine shop that I took the head to in Tampa. So I took it back to the original place that I got the head from, kind of give them a second chance, like, you guys gave me this help fix the problem that I'm having because of it. And the people were really, really nice. They were super responsive with phone calls and emails. Got right back to me, said bring it in as soon as possible and we'll look it over. I got up there, they were super apologetic, just apologizing for all the problems that I've had with it. Promised to polish out where the cam seats. They're gonna go ahead and give everything a once over, see what they can do with the threads and Healy coils, go ahead and resurface it, just give everything a good rundown again. So I really hope it's good news. Like really, really, really hope it's good news. We'll see. But on another note, my CRV was not very happy coming out of Clearwater. I was having issues with overheating. Luckily, because of how many times that I've had issues with blown radiator hoses, coolant lines, heater hoses, you name it, I keep coolant in my car. So I managed to get it tapped off, ran out, was luckily able to stop at my dad's. He's closer than my house was. Filled up the jug with water, capped off the radiator. Gonna have to figure out why exactly it was overheating. There was no leaks. There was like literally nothing that could possibly be wrong. Fans were running. If you guys have had an issue where your car is overheating for absolutely no reason at all, please feel free to comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys did to fix it. We just replaced the thermostat like a month or two ago, so I don't know if maybe we just got a crap thermostat and it wasn't allowing proper flowing. I have no idea. Someone leave me some helpful comments.
Miata boys. Miata boys. I hope you enjoy this when you have to go edit. Yay!
Yeah. Hello right there. Yeah.